What are you doing?
Sprinkling. Sprinkling.
Sprinkling. Yeah, the ones over there need more. Good job.
Uh-oh, no one.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
That's okay.
I'm doing good.
You're doing great?
Yeah.
Nice, baby. Are you getting more sprinkles?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go sprinkle. Oh, that's okay, the mess.
The mess is okay.
Here. See, up, that.
Yeah, just toss them.
No. That's me. Wow. A rainbow.
Who are we going to share these cookies with?
With Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy? Anybody else get one?
My friends.
Your friends? Good.
That's the boys.
The boys? Only the boys?
No, no. Here.
Okay. Who's that cookie for? That's got a lot of sprinkles on it. Who are you going to give that one to?
I believe.
Okay.